Okay guys, this is one of our 2015 Plus Charger paint protection film kits for the headlight. We're gonna go ahead and install this on my car. We've just pulled off tint that was on the light, so it's perfectly smooth to the touch. That's what you wanna make sure of when you're installing paint protection film. If you feel anything on the lens of the light, it's gonna be behind the film and it's gonna be visible there as well. So use what you need to clean the light. You can get as aggressive as clay bar to remove any contaminants that may be on the surface. So this is going to come with a paint protection film application fluid. This is a wet installed product, all PPF is, and you're going to want to make sure everything is nice and saturated. So having this evenly wet will make sure that this is evenly glossy. If you get any little dry spots behind the paint protection film, they'll kind of cloud out. You'll see as I pull it from the paper, I'm also going to make sure that my fingers are wet here and clean. I'm going to start removing the film from this backing, and as I remove it, I'm also going to wet the back of the film. I'm going to make sure if anything falls on it, it's not going to stick to the adhesive, and make it a little bit easier for us to install on the vehicle. So go ahead and remove everything else off. Make sure this is properly saturated, and again, just re-wet that. And now the important thing is to line up this curve towards the center of the car. This is going to be where we're starting. This is a good place to start. You can see I have my two fingers here holding this on. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this film right here. It gives me an area to start. And now I'm going to pull the film over, because if you look, it's just sitting on the car right now, but we're about 3/4 of an inch too short. That's the way PPF is made. That little bit of tension is gonna help it cling to the light. So there we go, I'm gonna pull off to where I started applying the film, get it over here, give it just enough pull. Start getting the film applied down. Back off. You see, I am pulling the film. And that little bit of tension is what's causing this part right here to settle down and sit flat against the light. Now right here, I'm just gonna barely lift up. See, it's starting to get a little bit dry. I'm gonna pull that wrinkle out. When I do that, come back in and re-moisten that area. Push the wrinkles straight up out of the film. Try to find somewhere where I can get underneath it here. Using a fingernail. You can also use a knife if you have one. We're just trying to get underneath the film. There we go. So again, I can kind of pull out this wrinkle, wet everything. Now just help the film down here towards the bottom. So you can see a slightly different process than applying an air release dry vinyl, but also with a great result. We now have 99% of this light covered in our paint protection film kit. This can take a rock and help protect the light from cracking. So this is the same PPF that you're going to find on a lot of the vehicles that come straight from the factory. It's a great product for protecting the front of the vehicle where you're probably going to take the most damage. Any moisture you have underneath the film is going to work its way out. Typically when you have this installed at a professional shop, they're going to keep the vehicle overnight because they like to let all of this moisture dry and then lock the film down before you take the vehicle home. So because this is a do-it-yourself product, just know that you're going to need to do this at the end of the day or at some time where you can now let the vehicle sit, because we're going to want all of this moisture to dry up. We'll come back and lock this down. You can use a hair dryer or something to help, but just know if you see a little bit of stuff under the film like this, it's going to go away. That's all there is to it. Okay, so when we finished this install, thought I was all done here, and we actually noticed that we had a little PPF hanging over the bottom. So because the way you install it, as you're pulling out, you may actually get a little overhang down here or up here, and if you do, one thing that you can do to help is take a really sharp knife. If it's a breakaway blade like this, but you're going to want it to be something as sharp as this, you break off a fresh new blade, and all you're going to want to do is drag the knife on the surface of the PPF with very, very little pressure. You just score the material. Once you do, it's so gelatinous that you just kind of take it and tear the excess film away from the light. So I did that. I wish I would have filmed it, but just know if you do have a little bit of an overhang, it's not like wrap vinyl, so you can apply a little heat and try to tuck it, but that's more likely just going to become a dirty corner or a dirty edge for you. The best way to do it, take this, score the film, and then just take the excess away.